here's your oil reservoir. I'll take that out. This is all made of stainless steel. Okay, so you can remove that, fill up your oil, put it back in. Okay, all your lines are going down through the stainless steel front. There's a grommet to make sure that nothing is going to bind and rub against each other. A piece of plastic hose here, make sure nothing is going to rub. Another grommet here. And again, here's your commercial grade wheels. And this is something that I haven't seen on any other kettle corn machine. It's a good kickstand, so you can hold up your unit so you can light your pilot and get things going, and then you can release it down here. Now, some of the units you see a cutout on the side for an exhaust. This one doesn't have that. If you can see up here, there's a 1/4 inch gap all the way around the tank itself. That's the exhaust, because I find on windy days, wind is blowing through these cutouts that they've got for exhaust and really messing with the high pressure flame. So this is a much better method to have the exhaust coming out through this gap around this lid. Now back to the unit itself. This is all stainless steel, the entire unit. I've seen lots of people making these out of mild steel painted in aluminum. That's not the way to go. Aluminum, once that sugar, the hot sugar, gets onto the aluminum, you'll never get it off. You'll be chipping off the aluminum. The mild steel as well, the paint chips off. I've had people bring me their mild steel units because the paint has all come off of them, and they're asking me to cut a plate and weld it on top of their mild steel units. They've got an attractive look like this because all the paint is chipped off. It's definitely not an attractive looking unit. Now, here's some other benefits of this unit. Here's the high pressure burner. All the manufacturers basically use the same burner. This is it. Okay, so we're all in the same ballpark there. We all use the same high pressure burner. This is a spring. It's 1.5 inch diameter. It's a lot stronger than you'll find anywhere else because, well, you can lift that with one finger. Now, what's important if you can get a shot of this spring and the way it's hooked up and mounted, this piece here is stainless steel and it's custom made. What it does is it goes into the eye of the spring, and this piece will wrap around the eye of the spring, because what's happening is you'll see a lot of people are just putting some washers on a bolt like this, and where that contacts that bolt, that spring is going to break. This prevents that. This will last for years, this method. Like I say, it's all stainless steel, it's not going to rust. It wraps around the bolt and it gives a nice surface for that spring to contract into spring. So that's very, very important. I've seen these springs break, and they're very, very high tension. And well, first of all, you got to buy another spring, and it's also dangerous. So this is a very good piece of equipment. Okay, I'm just going to go back over here. Now I'm just trying to see if there's anything else I can tell you about this system. Maybe just get one more shot inside just to... Now, if you have any questions at all as to the workings of the system, or any details, dimensions, please call me or email me. I'll give you all the information that you require. I'm trying